What's up, everyone? Today I'm reviewing the Lemorele G500 wireless HDMI kit, a device that's completely changed how I think about wireless displays. If you've ever been frustrated with HDMI cables or wanted to present wirelessly without lag, this might be exactly what you need. Right out of the box, you get the transmitter, receiver, magnetic charging base, HDMI cables, and USB-C charging cable. Build quality feels premium with a solid matte finish, not cheap plastic. But here's the best part. Setup is literally plug and play. Zero drivers, no software, no apps. Just plug the transmitter into your HDMI source, plug the receiver into your display, and they automatically pair in about 15 seconds. This is exactly how wireless display should work. Let's talk performance because this is where most wireless HDMI systems fail. The G500 claims sub 50 millisecond latency, and it absolutely delivers. I'm testing with fast-paced gaming content, and the delay is virtually imperceptible. Quality is excellent. Full 1080p at 60 Hz with rock-solid stability. I've tested this throughout my house, and while specs claim 164 feet, I had zero issues streaming through walls from my office to the living room. The 5.8 GHz wireless band keeps things stable even with my Wi-Fi running simultaneously. The built-in 2000 mAh battery is a game changer. You can grab your laptop and transmitter, walk into any room, and start presenting immediately. No power outlets needed. I got just over 4 hours of use, and it recharges in 2.5 hours on the magnetic charging base. Here's what sets this apart. You can connect up to 8 transmitters to one receiver. Perfect for offices or classrooms where multiple people present. I tested switching between my laptop, gaming console, and camera, and transitions take just 2 to 3 seconds with seamless switching. So who is this for? Obviously, presentations are huge. Walking into any conference room and immediately presenting wirelessly is game-changing. Content creators can wirelessly monitor camera feeds on larger displays. At home, I stream from my laptop to the living room TV without moving my entire setup. At $148 or 125 euros, this isn't the cheapest option, but cheaper alternatives I've tested have terrible latency or complicated setup. Compared to professional systems costing $500 to $1,000, this offers 80% of the functionality at a fraction of the price. Quick pros and cons. Pros: true plug and play, excellent sub, 50 ms latency, premium build quality, 4-hour battery life, multi-device support, and that brilliant magnetic charging base. Cons: limited to 1080p 60 Hz with no 4K support, and at $148 it might be overkill for occasional basic streaming. Overall, the Lemorele G500 is exactly what wireless HDMI should be. Simple, reliable, and high-performing. If you regularly present, create content, or want wireless display freedom without quality compromise, I highly recommend this. Links in the description. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.